Little vlog update. I stepped on a sea urchin. It's lit up.
Good? Yeah. The American dream is that. I bring it back. What really matters is that it controls the garments.
scale from 1 to 10? I needed an answer. It's pretty solid.